Hey everyone, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to view cash flow on Bank of America. But before we get started, if you're also interested in opening a checking account that comes with a bonus, Chase Bank is currently offering a great promotion for new account holders. I'll include a link in the description below, so feel free to check that out after watching this video. To start, open the website bankofamerica.com, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Accounts. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Spending and Budgeting. Click on Spending and Budgeting. Next, on this page, you will see a tab that says Cash Flow. Click on Cash Flow. That's how you view your cash flow on Bank of America. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.